on, guys? Welcome to day 41 on my day trading journey of profitability. Um, I lost. My winning streak has ended. Um, Honestly, I shouldn't have lost now that I'm looking over it again. Um, Kind of frustrated that I kind of didn't stick to my rules. Um, but it is what it is. Took a loss and I'm down decent amount. Um, but it is what it is. So let's just go over um, the chart and see what I did wrong. It's always good to go over when you lose and see where you can learn and learn from your mistakes. So just as normal, determined bias, clearly bullish on the 4 hour. Not many highs or lows we can mark out. I wanted to come up and fill this gap, um, but looks like we weren't going to do that today. Market opened. Where are we here? Market opened right here, this candle. So I marked this out hourly low out um, along with this one and this one. And this one was a 4 hour imbalance. And um, but yeah, that's my draws on liquidity for that. Um, Hop into the 5 minute market opens right here on this candle, get a big leg down, sweep this again, but we already swept this pre-market. Sweep this, push into that imbalance, the 4 hour imbalance, and then out of that, we get a retrace right here at 9:55. 9:55. We're in the 1 minute time frame. Actually, it was 10 o'clock, but yeah, you can still look in here. You see, right at 10 o'clock, we get this fair value gap. Price pushes up, pushes back into here, and then we fill this fair value gap right here, push into there, and then we push out. And I don't know why I entered. I was on my phone because I had to go to class, and I didn't have my computer out, and I guess I was just looking at it wrong or something. But we never showed a continuation of structure or a break of structure. But even though we're up in an uptrend already, we never saw a continuation of that, um, which I need to see for my strategy. Um, and you can see that bites me, and immediately, um, pretty much a couple minutes go by, and we immediately get stopped out. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what happened here. Dev sold or something. Um, but yeah, I need to make sure I'm waiting for that break of structure again, even though we're already technically broke structure. I want to call it a break structure because it's break structure out of this retrace, which I need to see. And you can see, boom, we never get it. And we immediately invalidate this fair value gap. And we never see any other options to enter. And that would have saved me from losing. Um, so even though the continuation break of structure, whatever we want to call it, hurts me sometimes with R to RR, it definitely helped me because it just is another confluence on top of everything else. But pretty frustrated with myself that I didn't wait for that. I don't know what I was doing again. I was on my phone reading, which is not the best. I need to be. I like to be on my computer, seeing everything what's going on. But couldn't do that today. Had to go to class, unfortunately. And then we paid the price. It's what happens when you don't stick to your strategy, I guess. it is what it is. We'll build it back up. I did risk a little more than I have the past couple days, so that's why I'm down a little bit. I need to start risking close to $500, $400 to $500. Um, but yeah, and also we did have FOMC today, and they're going to be discussing the new Fed fund interest rates, which is some pretty big news. But yeah, that's the trade I took. Ended up losing. Just want to be transparent with you guys. This stuff, I mean, my strategy works. I know it works, and we can see here when I don't follow it, it doesn't work. So I got to remember to stick to my strategy, um, and not force trade. I mean, I don't need to trade every day. I've already traded, uh, I guess, only once this week, but I traded 3 times last week, and that's pretty good. Biggest losing day, not the best. So we're gonna keep doing that, and then just, I mean, we're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna risk a little more, um, so we can build up a little safety barrier when we win. But yeah, I mean, you're gonna lose a trade, you're gonna lose trades, and you're gonna win trades. You just have to mitigate your losses. But I also need to remember to stick to my strategy because that's what I have a strategy for. If I'm not going to use it, then there's no point in even trying because you won't ever get anywhere. You're just gambling at that point. So yeah, 841 took a loss today, um, but we can learn from that. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.